How to fix YouTube not showing videos. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix YouTube not showing videos. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us discuss about the reasons why YouTube is not showing videos. First, it might be because of the internet issues. Second, you might be using an outdated Android or iOS version. And third, you might be using the outdated browser or the YouTube application. So, to fix this issue, firstly, troubleshoot your internet. Reset your router and modem. Update your router's patch and further delete DHCP reservations from your device. Restart your internet and check the speed and see if that works or not. If that doesn't work, go ahead and update your Android or iOS version. Check which Android or iOS version you are using, and if you see the update, go ahead and download the latest version. If your issue is still not fixed, then the next fix for this issue is update your browser or the YouTube application. Uninstall the outdated YouTube version and install the latest YouTube version. Go to your device settings and also clear your YouTube cache. To do that, launch the settings application on your device. Tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the YouTube application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. And by now, your YouTube should be working just fine. So, this is how you can fix YouTube not showing videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.